Hey everyone, Ella here for your Barre Basics upper body workout. So let's start by taking a pair of light weights. 2s or 3s work really well. And you know, if you're really beginner and new to the bar program or new to weights in general, you can do this whole series without dumbbells as well. But I really want you to stay connected to the contractions in your muscles. I'll talk you through it as we go. So let's go ahead and take our feet together into a parallel position. Toes are pointing forward, heels are behind the second and third toe. Soften through the knees and let's reset our shoulders down into their sockets. Go on and draw those thumbs about 90 degrees, gluing the upper arms to your body, feeling the arms starting to engage as we lift and lower. Lift, good. So you're just drawing the elbows up to shoulder height. Good, for 4 right here, 3, 2, let's hold at the very top. Take little pulses. I want you to feel like there's a table in front of you and your forearms are resting on that table. So we're not going any higher than the shoulders. We're keeping the movement nice and low, keeping the shoulder muscles engaged, keeping the sockets in there. Supports, yes, for 8, 7, 6. Keep those elbows high. Core's nice and tight, punch forward both arms. Let's punch forward, take it back. Good, 7. Keep your core strong here so we're not just swaying through the back. 4 right here, 3 right here. That bar posture is strong, stay with it. Hold your extension, little pulses right here. Up and up and up. So it's just little 1-inch pulses. Ooh, that bar burn kicks in pretty quick. 8 more little pulses, 8, 7, just at shoulder height, yes. For 4, 3, rotate the palms to face each other, take it down and lift. Good, just to your side and then right up to about eye level with those arms. For 4 until we pulse it out. 3, 2, holding at the very top, little pulses here. Go lift, little lift, little lift. Now if you're feeling tension in the shoulders, go ahead and bend at the elbows. That is fine. 8 more pulses, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I feel that shoulder burn. Take the feet nice and wide. Soft bend through the knees. Hinge forward through the hips. So I'm gonna turn and show you profile here. Hinging forward at the hips, zipping up through your core muscles and lengthening the low back. From this position, double arm pull back. Yes? So keeping the elbows so close to the body. Now, if you're feeling any tension in the low back, just take a big step back with one leg. You decide what feels good for you today. Let's hold those elbows nice and high. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Take a squeeze. Squeeze, thinking about your back body. Nice deep focused breath. Feel that deep squeeze between the shoulder blades for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, release the arms forward, rotate the palms back, elbows pull up and down. Good. Now again, elbows are slightly below shoulder height, and then you're squeezing. Think about the tips of the shoulder blades, the tippity tips right here, right here. Pull up, release, hold up nice and high. We squeeze and pulse. It's squeeze, it's pulse. Good. Whew. Press. Yes, I feel it. You feel it? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, releasing down. Rotate the palms to face me. Final round for that back body. Lead with the thumbs. Make sure the weights are lower than shoulder height. So they're coming back in a V position back behind you. So I want you to think about the muscles mid-back. 2 more here. Holding at the top. Let's pulse right here for 16, 15, 14. So think about the muscles that go down in a V down your back. 8 more pulses here for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and release. Well done. Roll those shoulders up to the ears and down. So right now, from the chest up, you should really feel the bar burn. We're gonna walk the feet together this time. Come down nice and low into a bent plie position. Elbows stay high. We're gonna extend the elbows back and in. So again, I want you to keep the core nice and tight here. nice and tight so that the low back is protected. If your low back is still feeling tension, extend one leg back behind you for a little more support. Arms are high, chest is wide, back of the neck is long. Let's hold and pulse at the top. So arms are long here. Now careful that you're not gonna stretch at the wrist. Lead with the knuckles, pinkies to the sky. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, hold this position, small bend, big stretch. We go small bend, big stretch, small bend, big stretch. I'm coming closer to you. I want you to see that 1-inch bend and release. 1-inch bend and release, right? Good. For 4, for 3, for 2, pulses right here, please, little pulse and lift. So keep the rib cage knit, the chest open, the back long. Whew. Can we go for one more round? Rotate palms to the sky and in. So it's up and in. Keep the arms long. Just 4 more here. You have 4. I feel that burn. 3-pound weights never felt so heavy as they do right here. Let's pulse for 16, 15, 14. Palms to the sky. Reset your core. Keep pressing, keep pulsing. Yes, you're almost there. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness, release the body forward. Do you feel that bar buzz? Oh, I feel that. Whew, roll up through center. Nice job. Okay, moving on to our biceps. We can take the feet a little bit wider, find a little bit of support through the core, take the palms forward. We curl up, tap down. Good. So it's really important that the upper arm is glued to your body as you curl. And then you're really focusing on the contraction of this muscle right here. 2 more here. Hold halfway. It's a little squeeze through the muscle. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's it. Deeper contraction every time for 8, 7, 6. Ground those feet into the floor. Keep lifting out of your hips. Rotate the palms to face each other and then lead with your thumbs. Yes, keep those upper arms close to you so they're not floating away. They're nice and close. 2 more here. Holding halfway. Squeeze and pulse. We squeeze, pulse, lift, lengthen. Good. Deep with that squeeze. Think about squeezing through the muscle, not through the elbow, right? For 4, 3, 2, hold this position. Lead this time with the back of your hand, rotating out and in, keeping your core nice and tight, keeping the shoulder blades in their sockets, feeling your accessory muscles. Holding halfway, little pulses, back, press back, press back. So these are the little accessory muscles that protect your shoulder girdle, shoulder blades. That's what we want to work. You have 8, 7, 6. Can you stay with me for 2 more rounds? I think so. Thumbs to shoulders, up and down. So this is your big corner curl. If it's starting to get intense on those arms, feel free to take a break and then jump right back into it. But we're close to the end. I want you to stay with me. Hold halfway, little pulse, little squeeze for 16, 15, 14. Yes, deep squeeze, working every head of the bicep. Really exhausting those muscles. 4, 3, 2, hold it right here. We extend shoulder height and in. Oh yeah, punch it up, punch it in. Keep that core strong. Move with your breath. 4, 3, 2, hold that extension so the arms are slightly in front of you. It's a little pulse, little lift. Shoulder blades push down, lift through the core, and out of the hips you have 8, 7, oh yeah, feel this power stance for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently release. Whoo, my goodness, place those weights down. Shake out those arms, shake out those shoulders. We'll take one arm across, and then the other. And then opening up just one time through the front body, placing the fingertips just at the sacrum to begin, clasping the hands together, and then opening up through the chest. Let's reverse that stretch, taking the fingertips in front of us, scoop and round through your belly. So you're gonna create space between the shoulder blades, then rock side to side to release any places that might feel some tension. Well, that was an arm workout. Hey Barre Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.